Hi everyone, it's Sunday afternoon, 23rd of May. Okay, sky's falling again. So I thought let me just quickly make this video. I'll be very quick about it. Everything is follow Bitcoin at the moment. So I'm looking at, let me just try and zoom out a bit, like that. Okay, so we got oh, this is actually down there. This is down there. Okay, so we've got this structure all the way down to the bottom here. Remember, we wanted to stop at this blue box. It didn't. It kept on going. It's now finally, which I can't wait for this thing to finish, is to move down to below the last low, which was 30,000. So ideally, I want to see 28,000 touched, where we should get a bounce from there. Now, the big question is, what's going to happen once we get to the bottom here? I strongly believe we'll get a minimum 3 bounce up to about 50 or 60% level. The problem is then we'll have another 5 wave down to the bottom, which is not so good. So for this week coming, today's now end of Sunday. If we look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if we can get this to finish today, break a low, and pop up nicely, this is our three-wave structure. This is what we should get roughly 44, 45, 46,000. From there, it'll go another 5 down. So that's not good. Unless, and I keep saying it's 46,000, unless we keep breaking right through this week or next week, and then do a 5-wave structure like that. Only then will I be bullish. Okay, so basically any coin you're holding at the moment is doing the same structure, same scenario. So my personal view is I'm going to wait for this up move, see this correction, and from there I'll decide if I want to close any of my coins. Ethereum, again, same thing, moving all the way nicely down. There's a last low. It's already breaking the low. So any minute now, the thing can stop and do its correction as well. All right. Same for Litecoin. You'll see all the coins have actually broken the lows already, but Bitcoin is still holding up. So Bitcoin is definitely returned to be the dominant coin at the moment. So I'm still trying to figure out if this is a 5, this is a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5, or was it A, B, C? Either way, there's a low. We're breaking a low now, so anytime from this afternoon, tomorrow, we should get a bounce back on this one as well. Again, this all depends on this bounce back. Does it go big, 3, 4, 5? Then awesome. Otherwise, 3 up and then another down again. And only after that will we get our bull moves back again. The only thing with these corrections are the bull market will return, so I wouldn't worry about that. The only worry I have is the time frame, how long it will take to actually come back. XRP is still my favorite at the moment, although yes, it has broken its low and it's actually gone quite far down. But I'm still looking this 60 to 70 cent zone as the move upwards again. This is the only one I'm got the most confidence in because this is still a massive up move. And still, to me, looks like a three-wave correction, which should give us another wave up. I mean, at least minimum, we have to break the $2 zone before we can see anything else happening there. So I'm still very, very bullish on XRP Ripple. This I will never get rid of, but that's just my opinion. If I look at this, let me just get rid of this. If I look at structure, so I've got my 1, 2, 3, my triangle 4, or similar to triangle 5. So if I go to 1 hour, where to go now? So I've got my 1 hour. So I've got my structure down, and this could be my leading 1 wave, 2, 3, and now we're doing 5. So 1, 2, 3, and yes, a good bounce here, but it could still retest the 60 cents as well before we get a minimum of 3 waves up to this level at the 1.3, $1.30. So 1, 2, 3 up to there minimum, or if we're lucky, this week or next week is the time it's going to actually do 5 waves, 3-way correction, and then continue upwards. But that we will only know once we see how this 3rd wave or 3 waves correction plays out. All right, so exactly the same thing for all the other coins. All right at the bottom now, breaking lows. This is getting so ready. What happens? Okay, Elliott wave theory is what I use. So I study waves. What happens is you go to 1, you go to 2, you go to 3. Now everyone thinks, oh, okay, it must be over. There's a sideways movement. You get all excited thinking, okay, we're going up again. Now this is mass psychology. It decides, no, I'm going to go down some more. And now by the time it gets to low and breaks this low down here, now we're down at the bottom. So what does your mind tell you? So psychologically, you're thinking, okay, I'm in a lot of pain now. This is going to carry on forever. And that is when the market says, good. And then it bounces back. And then you get up here and you think, finally it's going up again. And it says, no, I'm not done yet. And there's another 5 waves down again. And that is how the market works. It will chop and change and take you out all opportunities if you do not have the knowledge or the patience. Remember, I'm not sure we said it now, but the market is all about transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So when I say to you, that is up, and now you're thinking it's going down, and now it's supposed to go up again. Yes, we were hoping that, but it didn't go up. So now it's going to do the correction even longer. So this is just a drag out of time. And with them being in the SEC court case at the moment, this is perfect. This will just keep dragging out until that court case is finished. And then this thing will go to the moon. And that is what I believe XRP is going to do. Okay, so just watch this area right now where we are now. Very, very good area. If we break through this, bounce back to there, okay, then that is a problem. That I agree. For now, I'm looking at this 60 to 70 zone as a very good area. Right, guys, so they're all looking the same as BTC at the moment. Bitcoin taking a hammering. Wait for the new low on Bitcoin and to turn up. Everything else will follow. All right. Okay, enjoy your Sunday. Good luck. Guys, please, I'm doing this for free. So if you like the videos and it does help you, please like, share, leave a comment. I'd like to hear what you've got to say. Thanks. Cheers.